myself in a predicament the other day. I was in a car parking garage, I had a sleeping baby in a stroller, and I had to get from point A to B. The only way out of this place was through stairs. There wasn't an elevator, so I had to basically push my baby down backwards into oncoming traffic in a parking garage. It was ridiculous. Strollers should be able to go up and down stairs a lot easier. All-terrain strollers are a joke. None of them are any good at going over mud, snow, ice, rocks. I'm sick of it. I'm gonna prototype an all-terrain stroller that a baby can go in and you can go anywhere. I mean, literally anywhere you want, at least a flight of stairs. This is an all-terrain stroller build. All I gotta do is figure out what I'm gonna build it out of. I'm gonna make a baby stroller out of an exercise ball. What could go wrong? It's sad when this thing isn't gonna cut it. I think I'm gonna need something with a little bit more power. I got an idea. I'll use my toaster to heat this thing up. Come on, toaster. All right, works every time. And I love that toaster. Just hold in there a little longer, toaster, you can do it. I think I'm gonna use this toaster to cook some steaks in here one of these days. Ah, it's falling apart. Ah, my toaster's melted. You did good, little buddy. You did good. Dang it. Guess I'll have to go with the old-fashioned flamethrower. Let's give this puppy a paint job, and we'll slap it together, glue it together, and we should be off to the races. There we go, guys. A truly all-terrain stroller. Oh, I can't wait to test it out. This thing's pretty darn cool. I put a flash bear in there to simulate a real baby. Let's see. There you go, buddy. Let's go, America! Yeah! Still problem! Time. Come on, we got an appointment, baby. Woo! Oh, you're late going home? All right, let's hurry up and go home, baby. Woo! That is an all-terrain stroller. Oh yeah. This stuff here, it's 1-inch PVC pipe, and it's rated up to 450 PSI. I don't know any babies out there that can put down 450 PSI.